And hello guys, welcome to Vanessa's cooking show. Today I will be making a easy way to make a milkshake. And so here's the ingredients. A cup of milk, and you'll need a cup of ice cream, any kind of ice cream, and things to mix with, and a bowl. So, first you will get the milk, pour the milk in the bowl. There we go. And then you'll get the ice cream out. That's the hardest part you'll need. I'm going to be using the little rope thing to get it out, because it won't just slip out like that. You'll need a product to get it out. Okay. Okay. And then stir. And then this is what it looks like when it's done. Yummy! And that was it for making a milkshake. Thank you for watching. Bye!